What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Radworks, previously known as Radical, and as you guys can see it has pumped up over 30% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at $2.26. So we're going to be looking at why is it pumping so much, what is next for the crypto, is it likely to head over $3 over the next couple of hours, days, and also looking at its long-term prediction for 2024. What can we expect? Is it a crypto worth investing into? And looking at both buyers and sellers' point of view, what is the best option right now? Is it to buy it? Is it to sell it? Or is it to simply hold on to it before it pumps up even higher, potentially heading to around $5 over the next couple of months as well? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Radical, which is here in purple at $1.82. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in red at $2.23, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the blue line is slightly slanting towards the negative direction. So what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One is looking bullish and one is looking bearish. So what does this mean for Radical? An overall fluctuation in value is what is expected. However, I'm expecting it to take a little bit of an overall drop back in value over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting the crypto to be dropping back closer to the $2 mark is what I would expect. Reason is it's pumped up quite a bit over the last 24 hours, so it is due for a little bit of a drop in value, which I'm expecting to take place over the next 12 to 14 hours. So dropping back down to around $2 in value is what I'm expecting from Radical. Radworks, it has been renamed. So zooming into the hourly chart, next couple of days we've got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and they are looking quite steep as well, meaning this is not realistic. So from my predictions, over the next 7 to 8 days, so towards the end of this week, early next week, Radical should go for a price correction, dropping down to about $1.60, $1.70 over the next few days, and then pumping back up just over $1.80 by mid to end of the week is what I'm expecting. So essentially quite of a wave, dropping down to $1.60 and then slowly starting to pump back up above $1.80 is what I'm expecting right now. So do expect a mixture of both green and red days, but what I'm expecting is a price correction over the coming week due to the fact that it has taken quite of a major pump over the last 24 hours. Zooming into the daily chart, next couple of weeks, the blue line is still looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, and the orange line is slanting towards the positive direction. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, mid to late March 2024, so essentially towards the end of Q1 of this year, I am expecting Radical to be trading over the $3 mark is what I'm expecting. Reason for that is I'm also expecting the crypto market to be moving towards the bullish direction. Again, yes, Bitcoin did take quite of a drop over the last couple of days, dropping from 48,000 down to just below $41,000 a couple of days ago, which did have a major negative impact on the crypto market, but I'm expecting it to slowly recover and potentially head very close to $50,000 by February time, mid-February time, which should have a positive impact on the crypto market, which of course involves Radical as well, hovering over $3 and potentially just about hitting $4 by March, April is what I'm expecting. However, if there are any updates to that, for example, if I'm expecting a crash or a pump or anything that can have a major negative or positive impact on the value of Radworks, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone. However, over time, since about October, we have been slowly starting to gain value heading upwards. So I'm expecting it to hit the resistance target here in mid to late March 2024 and potentially resist from the resistance target here, drop back down into the red zone and break out into the green zone towards late March, early April is where I'm expecting Radworks to be trading into the green zone. But again, any updates to that, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 1,700% in the last 24 hours, making it $108 million in trading, which is a huge increase in trading, guys. Yes, it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours, or even the top gainer according to Binance. So it is getting a lot of attention right now, a lot of hype around it from both buyers and sellers point of view, meaning a lot more people are starting to trade the crypto and it is getting a lot more traction than expected, which is also helping the value of Radworks pump up as well. But mainly we can see a lot more people are trading the crypto. So for those of you asking, what would I do in this current situation? Would I buy it or would I sell it? I would definitely not buy it. Reason is it is overvalued, and as I told you guys earlier on in the video, I am expecting it to take a little bit of a dip over the coming days and week as well, meaning if I'm expecting it to drop down, there's no point in me investing into it. So, and it's gone way past the maximum buying price from my side anyway for Radical or Radworks. So at the moment, I will not be investing into it. And for those of you guys asking, would I sell it right now if I was on a profit? Yes, I would, but I wouldn't sell all of it. What I mean by that is if I had $1,000 into Radworks right now and I was on a profit, I would probably take out 25%, so $250, and keep the remaining invested into the crypto, meaning I've taken out some profit and I've also got majority of my investment still into Radical, which in my opinion works both ways. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Radical, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting the crypto to go in 2024? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.